I got a message this was here. Welcome back everybody to the Grand Shamrock Tour. When a company develops a product for your Honda Transalp and they ask you if you would be interested in doing some of the beta testing, well, you say yes. Now I can't tell you what it is yet, but when I can, you'll know why I said yes. All right, if you're seeing this video, this thing works. But when I reached out to the manufacturer and asked them how do I install it, they said, you're holding product number 1. We're hoping you'd show us. So I got my work cut out for me. I've got to figure out how to install this, how to make it look good on the bike. So that means I've got to test, and retest. I've wanted one of these ever since I saw one on Carolyn's motorcycle, her BMW, but they didn't make one for my Honda until now. So you may be asking yourself, what exactly is it? Is it protection? Is it electrical? Is it lighting? Well, I'm going to ask you to drop your guess in the comments. And next week, when I reveal, everybody will know whether you were right. Well, that's about all I have for right now. Can't wait to share this product with you. I'm very excited about it. When I ask you to travel safe, and pretty soon I'll be seeing you out on the road.
Well, I've been down so long
It's a little bit more open than
that
flying.
my mind can't get no rest. No, no. I've been down so long that my mind can't get no rest. No, no. This ain't easy, darling, 'cause the devil's on my trail.